Hello everybody, welcome back. Thanks for joining us on Drunken Sailor. Tonight I'm making a cocktail that many a sailor who has sailed the seven seas have looked out on the ocean and hope they saw. I think you're going to like this one. It's kind of crazy, but it's definitely fun. So if you like it, make sure you hit the like button, leave us a comment, and please, most importantly, hit that subscribe button. That way you're sure to find out about all our fun cocktails. Tonight's cocktail is called the Tipsy Mermaid. So let's get pouring. I'm going to take my shaker glass and I'm going to start with some fresh juices. We're going to put in there 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice, 1 ounce of pineapple juice, 1/2 ounce of Creme de Coconut. We're going to give this one a little bit of a coconut flavor. Our first liquor in there is rum. We're using White Rum, Sammy Hagar's Beach Bar rum, and that is going to go with 1.5 ounces. This is good stuff. Thank you, Sammy. That's going in there. Next, once again, we're going to keep with that coconut flavor. We're going to use coconut rum, and we are going to put in there 3/4 ounce of coconut rum. That's everything we need to go this far. Now, I'm going to take a little bit of ice, put it in the glass, shake it to give it a chill. And we shake. We got that in there. And now we're going to put that aside for a second and we're going to get our glass. I said that was all the liquor that was going on in the first part. Now we're going to put in there about 1.5 ounces of Blue Curaçao. Going to fill the glass with ice, about 3/4 of the way. You're using crushed ice on this one. And we are going to strain and pour our cocktail into the glass. Pour the Curacao in there first, the ice, and then your cocktail in there, and that lets you keep that separation in there. Now all we have left to do is garnish. This has got a pretty neat garnish. You're going to take 1/2 of a lime shell, you're going to turn it inside out, you're going to put that right on top. This is the part where you want to make sure you got 911 on speed dial. Kim doesn't like me doing this. And you're just going to put a touch of 151 rum into the top of that lime shell. Next, my handy cigar lighter, and you're just going to heat that up off to the side. And as you can see, we got a little bit of flame, and we're going to put a straw in there so that we can drink this. You don't want to drink it while the flame's going on there, but if you want to add a little bit of touch of fun, cinnamon on top, sprinkles. There you go. Get that flame. And put the flame out before you drink it. And now try my Tipsy Mermaid.
All right.
Will you be my Tipsy Mermaid?
No. Oh, that's good.
Every sailor's dream. Cheers, folks.
Cheers.
Thanks for joining us.